Tulsidas Ji beautifully pens. Naumi Titi Madhu Masa Punita. In the 9th day of the bright half of the month of Chaitra. Naumi Titi, that means the moon phase. The phase of the moon that it was at. It was at Naumi. Naumi Titi Madhu Masa Punita. Sukala Pacha Abhijita Harit Prita. And under the constellation of Jeet, this Prabhu Sri Ram manifested himself. The woods were filled with blossoms, and the mountains were resplendent with gems and all kinds of shining colors. And Brahmaji in Brahmalok, when he realized that the time of Prabhu Sri Ram's birth had arrived, of his manifestation, all the devatas from the heavens came down with flowers in their hands, and they showered their blessings onto this Prabhu Sri Ram. And after doing so, they took their leave. Tulsidas Ji also goes on to say that all of the sages, all of the pious individuals who resided within the forest, all of the individuals who were his devotees, felt a sudden wave of coolness and peace shower them and fall upon them. The day was neither cold nor hot. It was neither raining nor was it full-on sunshine. Everywhere, all the animals, all the creatures were blooming with enthusiasm. This next doha says, Sura Samuha Binati Kari Pauche Nij Nij Dhama Jaganivasa Prabhu Pragate Akila Loka Bisrama. So after the Devas offered their praises to the Lord and they returned to their humble abodes, Prabhu Sri Ram manifested himself.